Hey Mathmasters, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we can this viral math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. Now we have 30 divided by 3 and this is 6 plus 4. So we will solve with the help of order of operations PEMDAS methods. So we will solve first 4 parentheses, these stand for parentheses. And here inside that parenthesis we have 6 plus 4 which will give result here 10. So we can write 30 divided by 3 times 10. Now 30 divided by 3 times 10 which equals to 30 and 30 divided by 30 will give result 1. Many will think like this one is the right answer, but this is not the right answer. I will show you how. Here as we can see that multiplication and division both operations are there, and as we know multiplication division have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right operations. So we will do left to right operation here, and according to that first we have to solve this division part, which is 30 divided by 3. We will rewrite 30 divided by 3 times 10. First we have to solve this division part, which is 30 divided by 3, and this will give result at 10. So for final expression we have 10 times 10, and final answer is 10 times 10, which equals to 100, which is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next question, 2 power 4 divided by 2 times 2 minus 6 plus 2. And here we have to solve this exponent part first, which is 2 as 4. So 2 power 4, which is nothing but 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which equals to 4. 4 times 2, which equals to 8. And 8 times 2, which equals to 16. So we can simply write here, let's change color to black. Yes, 16 divided by 2 times 2 minus 6 plus 2. Now here, as we know, multiplication division, there are multiplication division operations, and in that case we have to solve left to right. And also there is subtraction and addition, and both are the same priority. So we will do throughout left to right operations. Okay, so first we have to solve for this division operation, which will 16 divided by 2, which will give result here 8. So we can rewrite 8 times 2 minus 6 plus 2. Again 8 plus 2 will give result here 16 minus 6 plus 2. 16 minus 6 will give result here 10 plus 2, and 10 plus 2 will give result 12, which is the final answer for the second question. And if you are math lover like me, then subscribe us for more videos.